Well, hello there, and thank you for clicking onto this chlorine-free water systems video. Imagine clean, clear drinking water coming out of every faucet inside and outside of your home. A complete whole house water treatment system for your family and pets. Reducing scaling and hard water deposits. No more chlorine in your water. No more bottled water. No salt, no chemicals, no reverse osmosis, no monthly service, no filters to replace. Just clean, clear, fresh drinking water throughout your entire home. 1, 2, 3 technologies in one system guarding your family 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We're so excited to give you more information. Please tell us your name and phone number to set up a free 20-minute consultation.